What's up, guys? We're down here in Pigeon Forge right now, and we're gonna go over here and check out the Yard Milkshake. And there's been a lot of people talking about this place. We had tried to actually go to the one that they have down in Panama a couple years ago, and they were so busy we didn't get in there. So today we should be able to get right in. This is down here kind of where the lumberjack stuff is, all that you can see back behind me. But for now, we're gonna go in and see what we can find, what kind of milkshakes we can get, and all that kind of stuff. Come with us. Something as simple as just vanilla ice cream right there. Wife, here's what the wife has got. She got the dolly. You can see it's got the butterfly on top, which if you are aware of how Dollywood is, Dolly Parton, butterflies are kind of her thing. Very cool.
That's a strawberry cheesecake.
There's the strawberry. Strawberry cheesecake. Here's the peanut butter brownie Bliss. This looks good. Wow, that is a lot. That's some good ice cream. We didn't have to wait long at all. It's got a lot of good flavor. Bulls. Heifers. If you don't know which one you are, you get out of the city. Okay guys, that was the Yard. That ice cream is very rich. It's good, but it's very rich. Good place to go to get cooled off, get some ice cream, and like I say guys, you'll get a bottle of water too. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Let me comment down below. Check out all the links down in the description, and we'll see you next time.